Hi all. I just want to share a few words about CRS Info Solutions. I recently joined as a trainee of Salesforce in CRS. I'm from non-IT background. As like you people have a huge doubts on that. Can a non-IT guy make in Salesforce or not? So am I suitable to this role or not? I shifted my career to this. But after a couple of weeks of training, so I'm so confident here because of the training. The training is really awesome. You will get real-time experience here. They will give you real-time examples which happened previously in their projects. And one more thing, with interviews, they'll help you with the interview. They'll give you the scenario, mock interviews, and assignments, which helps you a lot for interview questions. Coming to that, they'll collect all the interview questions from their previous batch students and all, and they'll provide you. So this helps a lot coming to your preparation for interview. And the assignment, sometimes you're going to have weekly assignments, sometimes daily assignments. This is really a good chance to grab. So those who are looking serious to build their career in Salesforce, I highly recommend CRS Info Solutions. Thank you.